will talk about how can you face this problem on your internet browse app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on settings down here. So when you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and there you're looking for internet browse app, or just click on search, then here add internet browse app is going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, just click on first stop, click on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.